Explain to the audience what you're doing.
You're not putting it on Facebook, so there is no audience.
I'm going to show it to Mimi. Explain it to Mimi what you are doing.
Okay, I am trying to make a gun, like, you know, Mimi.
An air gun?
Yes. No. A projectile gun.
Projectile gun? And your propellant is air.
Yes.
Compressed air.
Yes.
So you have to seal it all up to make sure none of the air gets out.
Yeah, and I duct taped it, and then I put the seal on this, and then I'm duct taping it again, just in case. Who cares? Okay, and I'm done. So now I just need to undo this. And here's what it looks like already. Ah, here we go. It just fixed. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, worked better. Let's see if we can push it down even farther.
Okay. What's that feeling like?
It's just like you accomplished something in your life.
How's it feel?
It feels great. It feels like you saved the world or something.
Good job.
Thank you.